This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tanya Davenport. Cozy cabin nestled in the picturesque hills of Blue Ridge. This charming retreat offers something truly special, the serenity of long-range views combined with the simplicity of a small but private lot that requires minimal maintenance. Step onto the back deck, and you'll be greeted by the breathtaking vista of the Blue Ridge Mountains stretching into the distance. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while being embraced by the tranquility of these vistas. This cabin offers not just a home but an escape, where you relish the beauty of nature /out the demands of extensive yard work or in Hoa. The rustic retreat inside displays an artful blend of warm wood textures accompanied by the sophistication of sheetrock. The cozy living room beckons with a welcoming warm fireplace perfect to unwind. Each level offers its unique charm and amenities. The lower level provides a cozy haven, perfect for unwinding after a day of adventure. The main level is the heart of the home with a space open floor plan for family gatherings. Those who relish being outdoors have two private retreats on the property, an outdoor fireplace or a spacious fire pit. Conveniently located close to downtown and nearby winery make this home your mountain haven retreat. For more information, review the